So if you're planning to visit Thailand after 1st of May 2025, then this video is for you all. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the TDAC or the Thailand Digital Arrival Card, which is made mandatory by Thailand government for all non-Thai people coming from anywhere else in the world in Thailand after 1st of May 2025. Yes, it is made mandatory for everyone going for tourism or any other purposes, which includes work or medical facilities as well. So in this video, I'll be talking about how you can apply the TDAC online, and it should be done 72 hours before you board your flights for Thailand. So come on, let's go directly towards the screen. So this is the Thailand Digital Arrival Cards official web page. You can just type TDAC or tdac.immigration.go.th, and this is the first page which is going to come up. Right over here you will be clicking for applying for the arrival card, and if you want to update any details regarding your arrival card later on, then this is the place where you should be clicking. And as you can see, accordance to Immigration Act BE 2522, all passengers must complete the Thailand Digital Arrival Card. If the alien stays in Kingdom longer than 90 days, he and she might be notified by writing the nearest immigration office concerning place of stay as soon as possible upon expiring of 90 days, and required to do so every 90 days. Aliens are not allowed to work unless they are granted work permit. So this is mainly for the people who are actually going for work permit in Thailand. So right over here, after you click on the arrival card, this is the page which is going to open. I have actually filled up some informations, some dummy informations, just to show you. Right over here, family name comes first, then the first name, passport number, middle name. If you have any middle name, you're going to put it up, or else you won't be. So as you can see, the asterisk marks here, the red ones, these are mandatory fields which you definitely need to fill up. Right over here you have to write down your nationality or citizenship. After that, your personal information like date of birth, occupation, visa number if you have. As you can see, it's not mandatory. For Indians it's visa free, so you don't need to put up anything right over here. Gender, country or territory of residence, and phone number. And after you are done with this, you need to, oh by the way, you need to also put up state and city of residence. After doing this, you will click continue and go towards the next page where you need to fill up your transport trip and accommodation information, date of arrival, country, territory where you're boarded from. For me, if I go from India, then I will write India here. Purpose of travel is holiday. Mode of travel, you can see there are 3 options to choose from. So if you are going from India, basically you will be going by flight. If you're coming from any other country like Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, or any other countries like Malaysia or any places, then you might be coming by land, so you will select land. Or if you're coming through sea, then you will be selecting sea. Mode of transportation, there are some options. Commercial flight is which you are going to select. Private and cargo airlines are for ones who will be going for I guess you will need to select this only. I don't have much to say about private and cargo airlines. Private are the ones who have their personal own airlines, and cargo, as you know, are mainly for shipping items. So flight and vehicle number, so this is the flight number which you are going to put it up here. And departure details, again, date of departure, mode of travel, air, land, sea. The same goes if you are going from Thailand to Laos, Cambodia, or any other country, then land is what you are going to select if you are going by land, by the way. And if you are using a flight, then air is what you are going to select. And again the same thing, commercial flight and flight number, the one which will be used for departing Thailand from. So once you are done with that, right over here you can see there is a small box. I am a transit passenger, I don't stay in Thailand. So if you are transiting to Thailand, then this is the option which you need to click. So this is very important for the people who are transiting through Thailand to all the countries. And if you are not, then you have to again fill up this particular details like type of accommodation in Thailand, hotel. So if you are going for guest house or youth hostel or friend's house, whatever it is, you can select from here itself. Province is the place where you're going to stay, like Bangkok, and there are other places as well. You can just select out all the names right from here. Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, there is Phuket, Krabi, and there are many other places which you can select from, including all this in the list. So then district, again there are a lot of places to select from. I have just given a random name, by the way, just to show you guys, and sub district also. So you need to fulfill this three details. Actually these are mandatory along with your type of accommodation. So if you are booking a hotel, by the way, then their address, from the address you can get all these details regarding the district and sub district also, and also the postal code, by the way. And this is for the address of the hotel where you are staying at. So once you are done with this, then you need to go and press continue, and this is the third and the last page here. Health declaration is very important that passengers traveling to and entering Thailand have to be vaccinated with vaccines approved by Thailand or by World Health Organization, or other vaccines as allowed by the Ministry of Public Health of Thailand. So for us Indians, we are already vaccinated with Covaxin or COVID Shield. So please list the name of the countries and territories where you stayed within the last 2 weeks before your arrival. So for me, if I have not stayed in any other country or territory within the last 2 weeks, then I'm going to write here India. As you can see, Republic of India, it comes up over here. And if you have any more other places where you have stayed in the last 2 weeks, you can definitely put it up. If you, for example, if I write Australia, so that also can be done. And I guess these are the ways you can fill up for the places where you have stayed for the last 2 weeks before coming to Thailand. Then preview is the thing where you will be shown all the details that you have fulfilled in this particular form. And if you want to edit something, then you need to go and click edit. So it will again go back to the page from where you will be editing all your details from. So this is it for the arrival card, or the Thailand digital arrival card. And as I've already shown you in the first part, that if you want to update anything later on itself, then you need to click on the update arrival update page right over here. Let me just show you again, update arrival card. So once you click here, you can again update your details before arriving to Thailand, and you must do it 72 hours before arriving in Thailand. So this is how you are going to fill up your Thailand digital arrival card. It will take you hardly 15 to 20 minutes time to do the entire process, and as I've already shown you, it's quite smooth and simple to do it. It simplifies a lot of things for people traveling to Thailand, because before this you need to carry your return flight tickets, your proof of accommodation, and a lot of documents before getting your passport stamped at the airport. But right now you just need this particular card and show it to them during the time of immigration. So I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries related to anything, do let me know in the comment section below. I will answer each and everyone's question. So see you all again in a very different video. Till then, bye bye, take care.